Well, school starts in less than a month in Oregon, but still a lot of unknowns, even though we know it is almost going to be all online for students, at least to start. Today, we learned more about the state's plan when schools do reopen and what to do if there is an outbreak of COVID in the classroom. Our Lisa Balick talked one-on-one with the head of the state education department today. She joins us live from downtown Portland. Lisa, what did you learn?
Well, this is information that parents have been waiting for, the what if. How schools are going to keep their kids safe once the kids go back into the classroom.
If your child is in a class and someone comes into that class who becomes a confirmed case or tests positive, they will quarantine that entire class.
They would all go back to online learning for 2 weeks while they quarantine, and they'd all have to be tested. This could affect siblings and family members as well. In a 40-page document, the Oregon Education Department lays out lots of scenarios for when students, teachers, or staff get sick or test positive for the virus. The impact of even one positive case could affect those outside that class. If perhaps somebody rode the same bus as an infected child, all those bus riders would have to stay home as well.
We do need to be prepared and make sure that every school district and every local public health authority has the same information in understanding how to deal with anyone who comes in who is either symptomatic or who may have been in contact with a confirmed case of COVID.
Right now, the biggest school districts in the state expect classes will be online for most students until at least November. It all depends on the number of cases of COVID in the state and by county. The Oregon Education Department today did give rural and remote area schools more flexibility to open sooner in areas where there are no virus cases. In the metro area, parents, though, still have lots of questions, like why school schedules are still in flux and whether teachers will be remote from their classroom or at home. I found out it's all under negotiation between teachers and school districts.
Many teachers really want to be in their classroom so they can teach from their classroom with access to all of their materials and visuals that we have and be able to use that classroom environment. Other teachers have different barriers, like small children of their own at home to care for. And so what we're asking for is for teachers to have access to their classrooms and also be able to work from home.
The uncertainty bothering many, but at least now a plan for the what-if scenario if kids go back and COVID shows up as well. Now, if you'd like more information about these various scenarios, it's pretty interesting. It really lays it out. We have a link at KOIN.com. Live in downtown Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah, that's got to make some parents feel a little better tonight. Lisa, thanks. Right